While some of your guests are rushing back through your restaurant's doors for a change of scenery from home-cooked meals, others are unsure whether it's safe to return just yet. Even your takeout and delivery regulars are more concerned about hygiene nowadays. So, have you disinfected your restaurant ever? Probably never. Shuddhi helps you to maintain hygiene and make sure every corner of your restaurant is disinfected. Daily cleaning and disinfecting your restaurant is a crucial step to building trust with your post-COVID customers. Your guests need to know their safety is your top priority. Keeping your restaurant clean and bacteria-free helps create an atmosphere where they can relax, enjoy themselves, and not have to worry about the public health crisis.